Everything that's supposed to be bad make me feel so good. Everything they told me not to is exactly what I would. Man, I tried to stop, man, I tried the best I could, but
you make me smile.
what's your addiction? Is it money? Is it girls? Is it weed? I've been afflicted by not one, not two, but all three. She's got the same thing about me, but more about us. So she's coming over, so I guess that means I'm a drugs. Just let me peek now. I mean, dang, I'm so curious.